In this video, I will show you how to activate Windows 10. This tutorial is very easy to do, but if you do have any questions, feel free to drop them down in the comments below. And if this video does help you out today, be sure to leave a like on the video and also subscribe to the channel. I really do appreciate it. And with that being said, let's jump straight into the tutorial. So as you can see, I'm here on my desktop. Now, the first thing you're going to want to do is come across to the activation settings. So there's two ways to get there. What you can do is come to the bottom left hand corner, right click onto the start menu icon and then click onto system up here. Or alternatively, what you can do is just click onto the magnifying glass, go ahead and type activation into the search box that pops up, and you'll see underneath best match you've got activation settings. If you go ahead and give that a click, that's going to take you directly to the activation page. So what should happen, you should now have a window that looks like this, and of course by activating your version of Windows 10 it does get rid of that annoying little watermark that comes up in the bottom right hand corner of the screen, and it does give you access to more features. For example, you can change out the theme and the desktop background, which you cannot do on a unactivated version of Windows 10. So if you look towards the top, it's going to have the edition. So for my case, it says Windows 10 Home, and you can see this is activated. It says here Windows is activated. If it's not activated, it's going to say, of course, that Windows is not currently activated down here. All you want to do from here is just simply come down and you'll see this change product key link down here. So what you want to do is go ahead, give that a click, and it's going to load up a window that's going to look like this. So wherever you've got your product key from, whether you've bought that online or it's come with your PC, all you want to do is simply go ahead and type your product key into here, and once that's done, go ahead and click next down here. And what it's going to do is activate your version of Windows. Now this does do it over the internet, so make sure you are connected to the internet through your PC, and what's going to happen, you'll get a confirmation message saying that Windows 10 has been activated, and it will be activated straight away. There's no sort of waiting period or anything like that. And that's how you go ahead and activate your copy of Windows 10. So I hope this quick tutorial helped you out today. If it did, as I said, really appreciate it. If you were to drop down below the video, leave a like on the video and also consider subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a moment to thank you guys for watching this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial.